Hello everyone, thanks for stopping by. I'm saying goodbye to the summer and welcome to the fall. So that's why today I want to share with you some DIYs for this fall season. These DIYs are very simple, but they are awesome. So stay with me to the end so you can get some ideas to decorate your home. So let's DIY together. In my first DIY, I'm going to use an empty paper towel roll and cover it with a piece of sackcloth. I just put it in a paper towel holder from Dollar Tree. Now I'm gonna use some fall picks from Walmart to put it on the top and create a beautiful tree. Now I'm gonna cover the bottom with some green mulch. Now I'm going to use some leaves, pumpkins, and acorns from Dollar Tree to put in the trunk and in the base of the fall tree. In my second project, I'm going to use these stove covers that I'm not going to use anymore, and I'm decide to paint it a silver. These stickers are from Dollar Tree. I don't know which one I'm going to use. I just got them for $1.25, so I'm looking at the messages and which one I'm going to use. I decided to use is this one that is self-adhesive, and it says eat, drink, and be thankful. And I'm gonna use orange acrylic paint to paint it. Use some leaves picks that I got at Walmart to decorate only one corner of the cover plate. I'm gonna use hot glue to paste it. I'm gonna use these acorns from Dollar Tree to complement the decoration, and I also use small leaves from Dollar Tree as well. This sunflower is the leftover that I have from a DIY that I did before. Now I'm gonna add these small pumpkins, the glitter ones from Dollar Tree, to give a little bit of glamour. In my third DIY, I just gonna use these two placemats that I found at Dollar Tree, a pumpkin one. I'm gonna use super fabric glue and some hot glue, so I put them facing back, and first I'm gonna paste 3 parts of them. Now I have this cushion, and I'm gonna put it inside in the space open that I left. Now I'm gonna paste the open space using the same glue, and also fix some of the spaces that get open when I put the cushion inside. In my fourth DIY, I'm going to use these acorns, leaves, and sunflowers, and also some glitter pumpkins from Dollar Tree to put around the mini wreath.